I'm getting ready to run out to the pool, but I want to have something really refreshing to drink when I get back. So we're going to make another flavored water with dragon fruit. And I don't know if you've ever seen this before, or you know what it is. Looking at it this way through the camera, it looks kind of like a red sweet potato, and unfortunately by the time I got this, it doesn't have the beautiful green on it that it usually does. Now the cool thing about dragon fruit, known here as pitaya, look at how beautiful that is inside. It's a cactus that the flowers on it only bloom at night under a full moon. It is a nutrition powerhouse. Now, see, I'm running this spoon, the same grapefruit spoon that we used last time. Wow, this is really, really juicy. Around the edges here to get this out. Then once it's out, it's kind of slimy, but you can see there's half of it, and it's really watery. So here's the other half whole. And we're just going to cut this up into chunks. If you've seen pictures of this online, you may have seen it done in beautiful circles with the red still around it. You don't want to eat the skin on this. So when you're cutting it, if there's any little pieces of the skin left, and then I'm going to cut through this halfway so that will make the cubes a little smaller. And see, that's just beautiful. Wow, that's amazing. It's just so pretty. But with a melon baller, you could make little circles and it would be very, very good. I've never tasted this before. They say it tastes somewhere between watermelon and kiwi. And I think that's pretty close. It's really not very sweet. It's more subtle. So I chopped up some cucumber, about half a cucumber, to go in there as well. Do you know about this trick? That with your basil, when you bring it home, if you buy a beautiful bunch of fresh basil, put a bag over the top of it, put it in a little bit of water. I know, I bought this last Saturday, so this is a week old and it's still absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to take leaves off the bottom, but you just put some water in a little glass and then cover it. This is beautiful. I would definitely have it again. Excited to try this water. And dragon fruit, or pitaya, is also considered a superfruit. It's good for your eyes, for your skin, for your bones, for your heart, so many things. When I post this, I'll post also an infographic that has all the information on the nutritional value and what it's good for, so you have all that information. This one is up here so you can see it. Dragon fruit settled to the bottom, cucumber and basil, and again, if you're just tuned in, this is what the dragon fruit looks like on the outside, and then you scoop it out the same as you would with an avocado. I just use this grapefruit spoon and put it all together, let it chill a little bit. If you drink it up fast, then just keep adding more water, and this will be good for you all day long. So I will fill this up to the top, which this is also 2 quarts. So enjoy, and I will be back again with you soon. This is Lynn Pierce from agelesslifestyleafter50.com. Thanks for watching. Bye.